Today I am reviewing a unique product, Back to the Profits. Let us see what is inside this. The product where the inner circle secrets have come out for the first time, where anyone can make thousands every single month over and over again. So Inner Circle has decided finally reveal step-by-step formula used to make multiple figures every single month. Anyone can do it. This is newbie friendly, no experience required, a huge email list you can create passive income and endless profit potentials. You can check how these beta testers are getting real good money using this. You can see that he has made very first large profit following this insight and became seventh top selling product on this today. This beta tester has started this year and he is making even 3 to 5 figure payday through building digital products, and this is the course for you. There are some snapshots where you can expect to make this type of money if you are uh, using this product very seriously. You can see the figure yourself. This is proven and tested to work for anyone. Learn and earn in this one time, then run it. Don't need to speak English. 6 figures checklist. Rinse and repeat. Exclusive access. Simple 3-step system. Discover back to the profit system inside. Do the setup exactly shown inside and enjoy life as a steady income flows in. This is the system which is used by top vendors today making 6 figures. Just follow as you- we take to the most profitable way to make money online step by step video training in the private membership area. There are exclusive uh, interviews with top vendors who are responsible for multiple 6 figure launches, including Jono Armstrong and Brendan Mays. You will learn a lot, and if you follow them, then you also can join their type of income. Cheat sheet is available. Full access to exact cheat code to the top money making vendors used to guide them to earn 6 figures. We are gonna to releasing these cheat sheet inside back to the profit members will spoon fed the complete process. Total value of this product is $1997, but you are not going to pay this. It is much discounted and you will be getting it for just $12 and 95 cents. Let us see what is inside. These back to profit details are there, interviews are there, then digital product creation where you will get everything which is which will make it is actually they will hold your hand and show you how to earn. Start using this as a developer. 6 figure cheat sheet, selling the product funnel, JV page, sales page, listing for launching, launch day, and wrap up, and then bonuses. Now let us see the autos in this system. The original FE front end product will cost you $12.95 only, and you can get full site membership, 15 HQ step by step training video. In Auto One, which will cost you $47, downsell $37, where advanced HQ video training, how to get professionally developed software, and HD video training, how to make thousands of dollars launching your software. Then an exclusive interview with 6 figure vendors and affiliates. The exact scripts and communication we use to make sure that product are developing exactly as you want it to be. Then if you want to have agency right for this product, it will cost you $197. Downsell is $97. And then next are upgrade if you want personally design the graphic used to launch and work together to develop the final product. It will cost you $197 and downsell 97, where you will be getting full coaching for your success. Let us see my bonuses. This is Fugo Breakout, but this is available only for first followers. This is a system for traffic which you can get very fast traffic, and full details are there in this free bonus. Then access three additional traffic sources to use with backup. The profit bonuses are below. Then four ways to get instant design inspiration bonus. And then lastly, four ways to monetize your back to profit traffic bonuses. So total cost of all these four different bonuses is uh, way over $4,000.